Hey everyone, so the world of AI is just exploding, right? It's moving so fast, it can be kind of tough to figure out where to even start. If you're looking for some clarity on how to actually build a career in this super exciting field, well, this explainer is for you. We're going to break down what's happening in the job market and what a real, structured path into the industry can look like. So let's dive in. This quote from Sal Khan, it absolutely nails the moment we're in right now. See, this isn't about the fear of robots taking over jobs. It's about a fundamental shift in the tools we all use. The key thing to get here is that AI is becoming an incredibly powerful professional tool, and learning how to use it is what's going to give you a serious advantage in your career. And that brings us to what I like to call the AI wake-up call. Why is this conversation so important right here, right now? Well, because this isn't some far-off prediction anymore. It is the reality on the ground today. AI skills are already a huge factor in hiring decisions across the board. It doesn't matter if you're in marketing, finance, or healthcare. Companies are actively looking for people who understand how to apply AI. It's becoming a new baseline expectation. So here's the new formula for success. The most valuable people out there aren't necessarily the pure AI researchers, but the people who can merge the skills they already have with AI. Think of a graphic designer who uses generative AI to create amazing visuals in seconds, or a financial analyst who uses AI for way more accurate predictions. That powerful combination, that is what creates a real career advantage. And that's exactly why timing is so critical. Believe it or not, we're still in the early days of this whole thing. By building your skills now, before the market is flooded with AI-savvy professionals, you are getting a massive head start. The experience and the projects you build today will become the foundation of your credibility for years to come. So, we've covered the why. Now, let's get into the what. When you're looking for a way to break into the industry, what are the tangible things you should expect from a good, structured learning program? Let's use one as a kind of case study to see what the key components look like. Look, this has to be about building a complete career toolkit, not just getting a certificate. You want to be working on real-world projects that you can showcase in a professional GitHub portfolio, because that's what recruiters actually want to see. You should also be looking for expert guidance on your resume and interview prep, and maybe most importantly, direct access to experienced mentors who can guide you through all the complexities. And that brings up a really critical point. Who you learn from is just as important as what you learn. To really succeed, you need guidance from people who have actually worked in the field, seasoned industry veterans. For example, the mentors in this particular program have over 25 years of combined real-world industry experience. That's not just textbook theory. That is practical, hard-won wisdom from professionals who have been in the trenches, building and deploying actual AI solutions. And this gives you a sense of their impact as both educators and professionals. With over 35,000 YouTube subscribers, they've proven they can make really complex AI topics clear and understandable. And with a professional network of over 25,000 on LinkedIn, they are deeply connected to the pulse of the industry. They also hold an NVIDIA certification in generative AI and large language models, or LLMs. Now, that means they're verified by an industry leader in the tech that powers tools like ChatGPT. So when you learn from them, you're getting the most current cutting-edge skills from experts at the top of their game. But hey, you don't have to take my word for it. Here's a note from the past intern, on Mesh. The practical skills he gained enabled him to win a major competition in the UK, even earning recognition from the Prime Minister. This really just shows the kind of real-world impact that hands-on training can have. Okay, so how do you find the right learning path for you? Good programs aren't one-size-fits-all. They often offer different tracks depending on your background and your goals. Here's a great example. On the left is a Zero to Hero path. It's a 6-month program designed for beginners or maybe people changing careers. It's a great option if you're new to coding and want a really thorough step-by-step foundation. Then, on the right, you see a Fast Track path. This is a 6-week intensive designed for people who already have some coding experience and want to quickly level up their AI skills. Just take a look at the table to see which kind of path might be the best fit for your goals and timeline. So, we've seen the why, the what, and the who. Now let's talk about the practical next step, how you can actually get started. So typically, the enrollment process for a quality program is simple, but also selective. First, you'll apply on the website. Then, after a quick review of your background, you might be invited for a short online interview. Now, this isn't a test. It's really just a conversation to make sure the program is the right fit for your career goals. It's important to know that many specialized programs like this are self-financed. And you can really think of it as a direct investment in your own skill set, one designed to accelerate your career and place you at the forefront of the AI industry. And that brings us to the final question. With the world of AI moving this fast and with clear paths available to get into the field, the only remaining question is, are you ready to take the next step and start building your future?